Welcome to the Scrum Certification Tips and Tricks course. Becoming a certified Scrum Master or Product Owner is the start of your Agile journey. It's meant to be the first step along the path of constant learning. The Scrum Alliance and Scrum.org assessment reflects this. It's not scary, it's not difficult if you paid attention to this course, took notes and have the Scrum Guide handy. And you will do just fine. In this course, I will show you my recommendation on which certification body you should choose and general details about these main Scrum certification bodies. I will also tell you tips and free resources and learning path for your self-preparation, all from my personal experience. And then I will show you 100 carefully selected questions and answers for Scrum certification. And this is not all. I have provided bonus course as well, so you can learn Scrum in 30 minutes. And in the resource section you will have Video Scrum Guide 2020, so you can read and listen. And also you have Scrum Guide 2020 audio file, so you can learn while you are driving. In the resource section I have another 100 exam questions in PDF you can use. Scrum certification can be beneficial for you in the long run and could accelerate your career to the next level. I hope that following these tips help you pass the exam from the first attempt. Hi everyone, my name is Dejan. I am Product Owner, Scrum Master, Agile Coach and Trainer of Trainers. I have more than 60 international certificates in different areas of IT, and I have more than 20 years of IT experience and 10 years of experience in Agile project management and Scrum. Based on my previous experience, I have created this course for beginners so I can help individuals to earn Scrum certificate fast and easily. There are no prerequisites for this course. Everyone interested in Scrum certification can join. I will explain everything from the ground up. I hope you are passionate as I am for Agile and Scrum career, and if you are, let's dive in.